Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation looks similar in all other browsers. So here all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on those X buttons. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply do it automatically just by tapping on clear and browse data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got the browsing history, cookies, inside data and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got this section. So we've got the saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked and change the time range if you want to, for example, all time. Then tap on clear data, and as you can see the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.